Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got to another video. In this video I'll show you how you can go ahead and cancel subscription on Ring. But before that, please make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, we'll simply go ahead and step into our video. For that matter, what you're gonna do is, first of all, for that matter, you cannot do it from your Ring app itself on your mobile phone. You have to come to your browser section and access ring.com on the search bar and get your official website of your Ring itself over here. Afterwards, what you're going to do, simply going to go ahead, tap on this three horizontal line, and you're going to go ahead, tap on this option called the project plan in this account section, and this will simply give you access to all of the plans that you have got over here. You can go ahead, tap on the particular plan that you want to cancel. Go ahead, on the bottom of the page, select the cancel plan that will be given below, and then afterwards it will ask for a reason for your cancellation. Go ahead, choose a particular one for according to your need. Afterwards, select when to cancel your plan. You can go ahead, choose a now or at the end of your billing cycle. Once you have done so, tap on this confirm cancellation again as a confirmation. That way you will be able to cancel your subscription like that from your Ring itself. So this will be it, guys. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys on our next video.